A school publicizes that the proportion of its students who are involved in sports or clubs is 61%. So that's the claim, and that's the same thing as p is equal to 0.61. So the claim is the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis would then be p is not equal to 0.61. So the proportion of students who are involved in sports or clubs is not 61%. A company advertises that the mean life of its furnaces is more than 20 years. So that's the claim, and that corresponds to mu is strictly greater than 20. So the claim has to be the alternative hypothesis. Now the null hypothesis will be mu is less than or equal to 20. So the mean life of the furnaces is less than or equal to 20 years.